Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 26th, 2024, and we've got a packed episode for you, covering everything from legal battles to app removals and exciting tech features. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a significant development, Joe Kiani, the CEO of Masimo, has stepped down amidst a heated legal dispute with Apple over patent infringement. The conflict centers around Apple's use of Masimo's pulse oximetry technology in the Apple Watch. Earlier this year, a US court sided with Masimo, leading to a temporary ban on Apple Watch sales in the US. Although Kiani's resignation was confirmed, the reasons remain unclear. Masimo has appointed Michelle Brennan as interim CEO and continues to explore its business strategies. This ongoing legal saga underscores the fierce competition in the health tech sector. Apple has removed nearly 60 VPN apps from its Russian App Store, bringing the total to 98 unavailable VPNs. This move, reported by the Apple Censorship Project, has sparked criticism for enabling government censorship. VPNs are vital for bypassing regional restrictions and safeguarding online privacy, especially in Russia, where internet freedom is heavily restricted. The Kremlin's crackdown on VPNs aligns with its broader censorship efforts, particularly since the Ukraine conflict. Apple's lack of transparency in these removals has drawn ire from digital rights advocates, highlighting the tension between tech companies and authoritarian regimes. In another app removal, Apple has taken down the music streaming app Musi from its App Store. This decision follows complaints from music industry groups about Musi's failure to compensate creators. Despite its popularity, Musi faced scrutiny for bypassing YouTube's copyright measures. While existing users can still access the app, new downloads are halted. Musi's creators are considering a comeback, though legal challenges loom. This removal marks a notable shift in the app landscape, affecting millions of users. Shared iPad is a feature designed for environments where devices are used by multiple people, such as schools and businesses. It allows different users to sign into a single iPad, providing a personalized experience while maintaining security. Managed through a mobile device management solution, Shared iPad supports various models and offers features like temporary sessions. This functionality is particularly useful in educational settings, enhancing classroom management and student engagement. AppLock is a privacy app that secures sensitive applications on your device. With a user-friendly interface, it allows users to lock apps of their choice. The app requires a subscription and has received positive reviews for its functionality. However, some users suggest improvements, like easier unlocking methods. AppLock uses Apple's screen time feature to lock apps, which some find cumbersome. Despite this, it remains a valuable tool for enhancing privacy on iOS devices. After more than 15 years, iMore, a leading site for Apple News, has announced it will cease publishing new content. This decision reflects shifts in the tech landscape, particularly with the rise of AI. While the site will remain accessible for its archives, the closure marks the end of an era for Apple enthusiasts. The iMore team expressed gratitude to its community and hopes for the future of tech journalism. A recent study compared pesticide residues and nutrient levels in peeled versus unpeeled apples. The findings indicate that peeled apples have lower pesticide residues, though both types remain well below the acceptable daily intake. Nutritional differences are minimal, suggesting that consumers can enjoy apples without significant concerns about pesticides or nutrient loss. The study highlights the health benefits of apples, emphasizing their role in reducing risks of cardiovascular diseases and certain cancers. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the articles discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.